Local people built boats just like this. This is a modern version of an older boat. They built a boat like this, and two men would go out, two boats, two men each, and they would fish for salmon right here in this bend of the river. They would string a net between the two boats, catch fish. One person would have to be rowing constantly because of the current. These boats were built locally out of local materials, and they were used for probably about 50 years, up until about 1900. As the fishing industry moved towards the ocean, and they added sails. But for the first 50 years of commercial fishing, it was all done by rowing. And this is a modern-day replica of the Fraser River skiff. And our organization, my team's over there.
What's this routine?
That is the Orlock and Sail Wooden Boat Club. We're a bunch of wooden boat freaks. We have this incurable disease called wooden boats. We like building them, we like fixing them. And we work together with the Fraser River Discovery Center. And that's Kathleen.
And I would venture to say that there isn't a single, marine engineer or shipwright in the bunch. You guys are all amateurs. Actually, listen, you don't do this because you're amateurs. It's not because it's something you do every day. And this is history preserved, and you have preserved it wonderfully. And Kathleen, this is going to be on display inside the Fraser River Discovery Center, is it not?
It sure is, yeah. So I'll just explain a little bit about how this exhibit actually got started. So it started out with Robert letting us know that he actually builds boats, and he was wondering if we were interested. And we jumped at that chance and said, of course we're interested. How we can actually build a boat in our center. And so starting in January, Robert and some of the club came and they started building their shop, because if you've been inside, we're an exhibit center. We don't have a boat shop here. So they started building their shop, and then in February they started building the boat. And the boat was launched during Fraser Fest in this past July. And so that's many months of work, very, very hard work by Robert and the team that you see standing over there. There's a few people that weren't able to join us today as well as some visitors that came to the center. And I just wanted to thank the sponsors of this exhibit. Because without their support, this would not have been possible. So Douglas College was a very strong supporter from the very beginning. Also the City of New Westminster and the RBC Royal Bank. So without their financial support, this would not have been possible. And without all of these people's support, this project would not have been possible. And I just want to have just a quick word as a bit of a thank you to Robert, because he quite literally kept this project afloat. I don't know, how'd you get it in there? This was absolutely a labor of love, I think, for both of us, and it was an absolute pleasure to work with you, Robert. And with all these huge projects, probably would help me to put on the today. So thank you very much.
And of course, so Robert, please, if you would, identify these people. They don't do this way. This is authentic. This is the real thing. What the Lord is for. Not just the people. It's now we have to do. This is the fun part, and there has been a contest going on.
We had over 100 suggestions for our boat naming contest. The whole exhibit, we had